Hi folks, this is Jay Hurst again and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in 1100 Ware Street in Vienna, Virginia. And what we have here is a nice sized single family home, just a little bit under 5,000 square feet. But the reason for the video is to invite you to our open house this weekend. It's going to be from 1 to 3 on both Saturday and Sunday. So you're welcome to stop by and take a personal tour. Beautiful new home built by Seekis Construction. They designed and they built it here. It's a good location. We're probably, maybe a half a mile or less to the Vienna metro station. So it's a very walkable location. We're close to town. And I think you'll love it. So please come by and see us this weekend. I'm going to give you a quick tour right now. We're just going to spin through with the video so you can get a kind of a taste of it. And I hope to see you here tomorrow. Let's get started.